Hello and welcome back to our channel. Most English learners think they are studying correctly, but slowly they become trapped inside habits that keep them weak, silent, and frustrated. And the dangerous part is this. Many people do not even notice it happening. You watch videos every day. You save English posts. You learn random words. You feel busy. But deep inside, your speaking still feels stuck. Why? Because there is a hidden difference between learners who become fluent and learners who stay trapped for years. Look closer. Stuck learners often follow feelings. Fluent learners follow systems. That small difference changes everything. Think about your own routine for a moment. Do you practice English every day, or only when motivation appears? This is the first habit that keeps many learners stuck. They wait to feel excited. One day they study for 3 hours. The next 4 days, nothing happens. Then guilt appears. Then frustration appears. Slowly, English starts feeling heavy. But fluent learners understand something important. The brain loves repetition. Small daily practice teaches the brain that English is part of normal life. You see, fluency is not built during one powerful day. It is built during hundreds of ordinary days. Even 20 minutes matters. The problem is that social media trained many people to expect fast results. Quick videos. Instant success. Easy fluency in 7 days. But language does not work like that. Your brain needs time to adapt. Your ears need time. Your mouth needs time. And many learners quit before the real improvement even begins. Look around online. Some people are collecting motivation videos every day, but they are still afraid to speak after 2 years. Why? Because motivation is emotional. Systems are stronger. Fluent learners practice even during boring days. Even during tired days. Even during busy days. That consistency changes the brain slowly. Now let us pause here. There is another hidden habit that keeps learners trapped for years. Many people study grammar endlessly, but avoid real communication. They know rules. They know tenses. They know formulas. But when somebody asks a simple question in English, panic appears. Does this sound familiar? The mind becomes crowded. Too many grammar checks. Too much fear. And while the brain searches for perfect grammar, the conversation already moved forward. Fluent learners think differently. They understand that communication comes first. Grammar matters, yes. But communication matters more. Think about children learning language. They do not memorize grammar books first. They listen. They repeat. They copy patterns naturally. But many adult learners become trapped inside perfectionism. They think, I will speak after my grammar becomes perfect. But that moment never comes. And the internet sometimes makes this fear worse. Some content creators make learners believe that every small mistake is embarrassing. So learners stay silent. Look closer. Silence feels safe, but silence is slowly weakening speaking ability. Fluent learners make mistakes early. That is why they improve faster. Now here comes another hidden habit. Many learners consume English passively all day. Videos, podcasts, music, shorts, but they almost never use their own voice. Think about that carefully. Your brain may recognize English, but your mouth still feels uncomfortable producing it. Speaking is physical. Your tongue, lips, and mouth need repetition. Yet many learners stay silent because they feel embarrassed hearing themselves speak English. This creates a dangerous cycle. The less you speak, the more uncomfortable speaking becomes. The more uncomfortable speaking becomes, the more you avoid it. Fluent learners break this cycle early. They read out loud. They repeat sentences. They practice shadowing. They speak alone if necessary. And slowly, their mouth adapts. You see, confidence is not created before speaking. Confidence is created through speaking. Now let us go deeper. There is another habit quietly damaging fluency. Many learners translate everything inside their minds. First, they think in their native language. Then they build the sentence mentally. Then they translate it into English. That process feels exhausting. And over time, conversations become stressful because the brain is doing two jobs at once. Think about how fast real conversations move. There is no time for perfect translation. Fluent learners train themselves differently. They start thinking directly in English, even if the thoughts are simple. I am tired. I need coffee. The weather is nice today. Simple thoughts. Small thoughts. But repeated daily, these thoughts slowly retrain the brain. Now here is the uncomfortable truth. Some learners spend years translating because translation feels safe. It feels controlled. But that habit quietly slows fluency every single day. And many people do not notice it happening. Look closer at your own habits. When you hear English, are you understanding directly or translating constantly? That answer matters more than many people realize. Now let us talk about another trap. Many learners memorize difficult vocabulary because advanced words look impressive online. But real conversations usually use simple language. Fluent speakers often sound natural, not complicated. Yet stuck learners spend hours memorizing rare words they never actually use. Then during conversation, they cannot express basic daily ideas comfortably. This creates frustration. You know many words, but still cannot speak smoothly. Fluent learners focus differently. They master useful phrases first. Simple phrases. Repeated phrases. Real-life phrases. Because fluency is not about sounding like a dictionary. It is about expressing ideas naturally and comfortably. Now think about your listening habits. Many learners say, native speakers talk too fast. The real problem is often lack of listening exposure. The brain cannot recognize patterns it rarely hears. And modern content sometimes makes this worse. Short videos train people to jump quickly between clips without deep attention. So learners hear English constantly, but rarely listen carefully. There is a difference. Passive hearing creates weak results. Active listening changes the brain. Fluent learners pause audio. They repeat sentences. They notice pronunciation. Rhythm. Sentence flow. They train their ears intentionally. And slowly, English stops sounding chaotic. Now let us talk about focus. This problem is becoming bigger every year. Many learners try studying while checking messages, scrolling social media, watching notifications, and switching apps every few minutes. The brain becomes scattered. You see, distraction feels normal now. But distraction quietly destroys memory. One focused hour can change more than 5 distracted hours. Yet many people never train deep focus anymore. And this affects language learning strongly. Fluent learners protect their attention. Sometimes they study in silence. Sometimes they put the phone away completely. Because they understand something important. Attention is energy. And whatever controls your attention slowly controls your progress. Now let us discuss one of the most painful habits. Fear of mistakes. This fear destroys more dreams than bad grammar ever will. Some learners understand enough English already, but they stay silent because they fear judgment. What if people laugh? What if my pronunciation sounds strange? What if I sound stupid? So they avoid speaking opportunities. But look closer at fluent people. Most of them became fluent after thousands of mistakes. Mistakes trained them. Mistakes revealed weaknesses. Mistakes created adaptation. But stuck learners often treat mistakes like danger signals. And social media sometimes increases this fear. Viral videos mock accents. Comment sections criticize grammar. People become afraid of sounding imperfect. So they hide. But fluency cannot grow inside hiding. Fluent learners understand something powerful. Embarrassment is temporary. Silence becomes permanent. Now here comes another hidden trap. Many learners quit too early. At first, they feel excited. They imagine themselves speaking fluently very soon. But after some weeks, reality feels slower than expected. And because improvement is often invisible at the beginning, frustration appears. This is dangerous. The brain is still changing quietly, but the learner thinks nothing is happening. So they stop. Think about exercise for a moment. You do not build strength after 3 gym sessions. Language works the same way. Fluent learners trust slow progress. They continue during difficult periods. They understand that small daily effort compounds over time. But stuck learners often restart again and again. New notebook. New app. New method. Same cycle. And every restart destroys momentum. Now let us talk about mindset. This final habit quietly controls everything else. Many learners speak negatively to themselves every day. My English is terrible. I learn too slowly. I will never become fluent. Look closer at what is happening. The brain listens to repeated thoughts. And slowly, those thoughts shape behavior. Negative thinking creates hesitation. Hesitation creates silence. Silence blocks growth. Fluent learners are not always more talented. Often, they simply refuse to attack themselves mentally every day. They understand that confidence grows gradually. They celebrate small progress. One new phrase. One better conversation. One moment of understanding. These small victories matter. Now let us pause one final time. If you feel stuck in English right now, that does not mean you are bad at languages. It may simply mean hidden habits are controlling your learning without your awareness. And awareness changes everything. Because once you notice the pattern, you can interrupt the pattern. You can practice daily, even briefly. You can focus on communication instead of perfection. You can speak out loud, even when it feels uncomfortable. You can stop translating every sentence. You can learn useful phrases. You can train your listening actively. You can protect your focus. You can stop fearing mistakes. You can continue during slow seasons. And most importantly, you can stop speaking to yourself like a failure. Look closer. Fluent learners are not magical people. They simply build stronger habits. One day at a time. One sentence at a time. One uncomfortable conversation at a time. And slowly, English stops feeling foreign. It starts feeling familiar. Natural. Possible. So ask yourself honestly, are your habits helping fluency grow or quietly keeping you stuck? Your answer may change your entire English journey. If this video helped you see your learning differently, share it with another English learner. And subscribe to the channel for more deep English lessons that help you think, speak, and improve more naturally every day.